Okay, so once you know what the subject pronouns are, pronombres sujeto or the sujetos, subjects, you're going to see what the verb ser is. Again, we have 6 forms, like one here, one here, one here, 4, 5, 6. And these are just the subjects that are placed in 6 forms. So let's see what happens with verb ser. Verb ser is to be. It means to be. This is the infinitive of the verb. It's the unconjugated form. And then you can conjugate a verb. That means that you can write the 6 forms of a verb. This means I am. Yo soy. There are 6 different forms, okay? This is an irregular verb, so that means irregular verbs. That means that you just have to memorize all those forms. So this is I am, yo soy. This is you are, tú eres. Now remember that this you is informal. I mean, a lot of people use it formal, informal, but it's the common you. Tú eres. It has an accent mark, remember. But this is are, you are. These are going to be he, she, or you formal. Remember that is the same as that one. And they all go with es. So that means that you can use es to say he is, él es, she is, ella es, and you are, usted es. So then you'll be like, wait, but this is also you are. Tú eres and usted es. Yes, it means the same exact thing. It's just this one sounds more informal. This one sounds a little bit more formal. Tú eres, usted es. Okay. Now, if you want to talk about a book or an object, a thing, you'll be still using this. You'll be saying, el libro, the book, es interesante, interesting. So el libro, if it's a thing or an animal, you're going to be using this. Only if it's one, okay? Now, if we go to the plural side, we find nosotros somos, we are, vosotros sois, you guys are, and then they are and you guys are formal. So ellos or ellas or mis amigos or los profesores, when it's a group of people and you're not including, like I'm not including myself, when I'm not including a you guys, like a you, it's going to be they, and that's going to go with son. So if you want to say they are smart, ellos son inteligentes. If that they is a group of only female, then you'll be using ellas, okay? So ellas son. So those will be the forms. Let's say a few examples. Well, let's see. Yo soy again. Let's repeat these. Yo soy. Tú eres. Él, ella, or usted es. Nosotros o nosotras somos. Vosotros o vosotras sois. And ellos, ellas, o ustedes son. So now, let's see. If we have a yo, how do we say I am intelligent? Yo soy. That will always go with soy. Every time you see I, it's going to go with that one. Maria is a she. It's one person. It's not I. It's not you. It's going to go under here when it's only one person. So María es de España. Juan y yo. Juan and I, it's like we, right? Because I'm including myself as someone else. And I is going to always be that one. Somos. Vosotros, that's easy. It's already there. So vosotros is going to be that one. If you see someone y tú, instead of someone y yo, someone y tú, it's like you guys. So that you guys will be using either sois in Spain or this son, S-O-N. Mis amigos is a group of people. Mis amigos is like they are son. And seis, Maria y Elisa, two people. It's also, I'm not including myself, I'm not including a you, so it will be son.